yung mga medallions na yon. And ang ginagawa ko, tinatali ko yon to each post. The infamous oro, plata, manas, para siyang sacrificial offering. So, ito yung mga talagang minamalas na bahay. Hey everyone, it's me again, Arthur Arneta, and for today, our topic would be Pinoy superstitions when it comes to constructing your house. So, I'll be discussing 7 beliefs, so lucky 7, that has been practiced since pre-Hispanic times. So, all these beliefs have been there for decades and decades long before. So, our lolos and lolas have been practicing this, and even up till today, we still do practice them. I personally myself, I do most of these items when it comes to constructing houses, and especially when I constructed my house. So yeah, and you will notice that all or most of these beliefs are logical in a way. So parang may reason naman kung bakit siya ginagawa. Hindi siya basta-basta belief lang or naging tradition lang. So there's a reason behind it. So the first one would be the Tumbok, or your house being in a T-Junction or a dead end or a corner lot. So ito yung mga talagang minamalas na bahay. Ito yung mga, let's say, intersection, and then Tumbok. So meaning nandoon siya mismo sa gitna or dire-diretso mismo towards the road, yung bahay mo is yun na yung pinto. So bakit siya malas? Well, because they believe that all the energy coming from the roads, kasi so from the right road to the left road and even in front of your house, in front of your door, ang daming energy passing through these roads going directly to your house. So all these energies are hitting the energy of your house. So parang nagko-contradict siya. Naglalaban-laban sila, kaya siya malas. And if we would put it in a logical way, oo nga naman, logical na mamalasin ka kung nakatumbok yung bahay. Kasi come to think of it, if there's a car accident or a road accident, let's say yung nawalan ng preno yung sakyan, dire-diretso sa bahay, so malas nga. Kasi ang gamit sa bahay. Or if let's say there's a typhoon, a tornado, and imagine yung amount ng wind, yung amount ng storm, ng rain, na diretso sa bahay, hitting your house from all sides. So, your front door, your front lawn, yung mga windows mo. So lahat talaga is diretso sa bahay mo. So pag may mga disasters or may mga calamities, nakakatakot siya. So really, in a way, it's malas. Second would be your front door or your main door should face the east side or should face the sunrise. So kung yung door mo is facing the sunrise or facing east, swerte siya. But if it's the other way around, you're facing south or you're facing west, medyo ang tingin na doon is malas. So why? Because sunrise is equivalent to birth, and then sunset is pertaining to death. So ikaw mamili kung saan gusto yung doon. Siyempre, dun ka sa pertaining to birth. Kasi sunrise means a lot of things, or it qualifies a lot of beliefs. So the sunrise means a new beginning, new opportunities, it's a new day, it's a new or it's another chance. So lagi siyang new kasi sunrise nga naman, so it's another day. And with the sunrise, it also pertains to positive energy, it's luminous, it's warm, and it's healthy for the body. Logically, tama pa rin siya. Kasi imagine in the morning when you open your door and yung mag-welcome sa'yo is yung sunrise. Parang sarap sa pakiramdam. And scientifically, morning sun is healthier. It's the healthier ray of sunshine. Diba? Nag-exercise tayo during the morning, minsan nagpapaaraw pa nga tayo ng mga babies natin in the morning, while the afternoon sun is bad or it's harmful for our health. So it's proven naman na from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. yun yung hardest ray of sunlight, and it's bad for our skin. So imagine kung yung pinto mo and then with matching windows, yung afternoon sun nakatutok sa'yo, parang sobrang init ng bahay. Diba? So gastos pa rin yun sa electricity, sa aircon, sa electric fan. So ang dami. So may logic siya. Third would be too much corners or too much edges when it comes to the design of your house or sa space planning. So imagine if your house is a lot of rooms and then ang daming mga wasted space, biglang merong column dito pero konti na lang wall na. So parang useless ng space na yun. So it's wasted space. It's equivalent to stagnant energy. So imagine ang daming kanto-kanto ng bahay. Ang daming wasted energy. And well, basically, malas talaga yung mga sharp edges. So yung mga maraming kanto, yung belief talaga doon is malas. All around the world naman. Yun yung belief doon. Kasi sharp edges siya, yung makasugat. Diba? Dangerous siya. And let's say yung room is ang dami niyang corners and there's no use for it. So, malas talaga. And even with design, so let's say yung facade ng bahay mo, yung main facade ng bahay, dami niyang paliko-liko. Meron ditong beam and then bigla natabing na naman, ang dami ng square na design. So malas siya kasi ang daming kanto pa rin yung design ng bahay. Meaning, fickle-minded yung may-ari. Kasi ang dami paliko-liko, parang gano'n sa iyo. And logically, tama pa rin sila. Kasi imagine, ang daming corners ng rooms mo and it's wasted space. So parang ang daming nasayang na square meters na pwede mo sanang gamitin to something else. Buti sana kung malalagyan mo yung storage or kung may mas store ka dun something, kung pwede siyang lagyan ng cabinet, ganyan. Pero in the end, gastos pa rin. And even with the design, kung ang daming mga paliko-liko, mga ganyan, parang tinatad ka lang ng design mo, architect mo. Well, sinabi mo gusto mo ng geometric and then puro square. Pero ano yung logic, ano yung function behind that design? So parang wala. So additional expense pa rin siya, additional expense sa labor, sa material, sa paggawa ng bahay. So logically, hindi nga naman siya. So that's the third. Fourth is when it comes to the coins, the burying of coins during the laying of foundation or main columns. So for this one, isasama natin yung mga coins, yung St. Benedict Medallion and yung Padugo. So bakit ba tayo naghahagis ng coins during laying of foundation? So yung laying of foundation, ito yung first iba nagpukay, nag-excavate ng mga butas-butas. And then, magle-lay na tayo ng concrete, ng steel. So, yun yung laying of foundation. Yung mga foundation natin, yung mga footing, and then yung mga columns. So, traditionally, naghahagis tayo ng mga coins. So, bakit coins? Kasi the belief is, when doing that, or by doing that, sa future, or pag nakatira ka na doon sa bahay mo, never kang maghihirap. Like the saying goes na pag may sinusok, may matitira. So parang gano'n yung gift doon. So parang nagtabi ka na ng finances mo yung sa bahay mo. So in the long run, hindi ka mababankrupt parang. And I personally, ang ginagawa ko is yung St. Benedict's Medallion. So blessed siya. So blessed yung mga medallions na yun. And ang ginagawa ko, tinatali ko yun to each post. So bago pa magbuhos yan, pinapatalian ko na lahat yun sa mga mason. So yun naman, kasi yung St. Benedict's Medallion is for guidance or safety to when it comes to evil spirits. Yun talaga yung purpose niya, even with the Catholic tradition. So yun yung purpose ng St. Benedict's Medallion. So ginagawa ko, nilalagay ko rin yun sa bahay or yung sa pagbubukas. Kasi it protects you from the evil spirits or the elementals outside or within the parameters of your house or parameters of the house you're building. And then, kasama rin dito yung padugo. So yung padugo naman is, ito yung very common. So yung chicken, i-slit nila yung throat and then papaduguan nila lahat ng yung mother post, yung naglagay ng dugo. So, some would do it na lahat talaga ng poste merong dugo ng tao. So ito naman is parang siyang sacrificial offering to the elementals pa rin. Yeah, sa energy ng lugar. So parang yung human blood is equivalent to the chicken's blood. So parang inunahan mo na, nag-sacrifice ka na ng chicken's blood. Kasi during construction, construction is a dangerous word. It's a dangerous place. Ang daming pwedeng mangyari injuries. So pwede may mahulog na worker, ganyan, pwede may sugatan. So ang daming injuries. So parang in advance, inuunahan mo na. So parang prevention mo na to. So nag-sacrifice ka na ng dugo para in the long run, wala nang masacrifice na dugo, which is mas importante yung buhay ng tao. So ganun yung buhay. So for this one, wala naman ako nakikitang logic behind it. Pero ito is yung punong-puno siya na it's your faith, it's your belief, it's your culture, it's your tradition. So wala namang masama kung gagawin mo siya during the construction of your house. And then fifth would be never start construction during the ghost month. So ghost month is August. So it starts usually mid-August or early August. So it's a month-long, it's not really a celebration, but it's a month-long tradition. So this belief naman is with Pinoy influence. Kasi Pinoy naman tayo even before. So it's Pinoy influence. So the belief is the spirits from the underworld is really roaming the human world. So ang daming negative vibes, negative energy, ang daming energy sa mundo. So nakaka-affect yun sa mga ginagawa natin. So in all aspects naman, very malas to. So with signing of contracts, decision making, purchasing of expensive items, yung nag-alabs ka naman ng pera, even for travels, malas siya. So kasama doon yung house construction natin. And logically, hindi nga naman siya advisable. Bakit ka nga naman mag-start ng construction during August, especially here in the Philippines? Because August is part of the rainy season. So imagine, kung rainy season ka nag-start, nag-excavate ka ng lupa, nag-hukay, and then umulan. So, magtutubig din yung lupa mo. So, pa-pump out mo, umulan. Same na naman. Tutubig na naman. So, paulit-ulit yung work mo. So, gastos siya. And then, imagine, rainy season, and then nagpo-concrete pouring sila for your foundation, for your flooring, for lahat, even walls. And then, umuulan. So, parang nasisira yung tamang composition ng concrete mo. And then, ulit ka naman. So, syempre, mawawash off siya. And, syempre, kung umuulan, hindi naman tuloy-tuloy gumagawa ng mga construction workers mo. Pero tuloy-tuloy ka pa rin nagbabayad ng labor. So lumalaki ng expenses mo. Tumatagal yung construction mo. So it's not really a good season to start house construction. Even with the construction industry naman. Very aware of naman. 6 would be the infamous oro, plata, mata, and the stair design. So, oro means gold, plata means silver, and mata means depth. So, never end the steps of your stairs with mata. So, oro, plata, mata, oro, plata, mata. So, yun. And the stairs or yung landing ng stairs mo going up should always turn to the right. So, laging kung liliko ka sa stairs, dapat right lagi. So, ang logic, ang belief naman doon is right is the righteous way. So, kung makakaliwa ka o makakanan mo. So, kailangan kailangan punta ka lagi dun sa right way. And your stairs should be made of solid, sturdy, and strong materials and construction. Well, logically, tama naman. Kasi stairs is used for transporting. So, you are transporting from one floor to a higher floor. So, syempre nga naman, kailangan matibay yung stairs mo, hindi wobbly, hindi nakakatakot tapakan yung mga steps, or sobrang nipis ng railing. So, yeah, may logic naman behind it. And with the oro, plata, mata, so there is a remedy for that. So kung let's say yung steps mo is nag-end siya with a mata, you can always place a floor mat, a floor rug prior to the first step. Kasi yung rug na yon is that's elevated from the flooring, so that's one step higher from your flooring, so it's equivalent to one step. So that will be the first step na. So oro, plata. So mag-e-end ka naman with an oro. And then 7th belief would be moving in your new house at 4 a.m. in the morning. 4 in the morning or after or prior the sunrise, with matching rice, salt, and water. So ang una mong ipapasok dapat sa bahay mo is yung salt, water, and rice. And place those bottled items in a safe place. So usually, nilalagay naman natin to sa pantry cabinets, sa kitchen cabinets. And kung saan mo siya pinesto from the very beginning, dapat hindi mo siya nililipat-lipat kasi mas malas yun. So yung belief naman dito is, pag ito yung inuna mong pinasok sa bahay mo, sa bagong mong bahay, you'll never starve from that house. So hindi ka magugutom. You'll never get hungry. And bakit kailangan 4 a.m. ka lumipat sa bahay mo? So ako personally ginawa ko. So kailangan before sunrise kasi that means you are welcoming the sunrise from your new home. So parang it's a new day, it's a new start. So winelcome mo siya, doon ka na sa bahay. And yung 4 a.m. kasi is considered siya as part of the wee hours of the night. So it's a belief din naman na during the wee hours of the night, dun active or dun mas active yung mga elementals. So parang when you're moving in at 4 a.m., it's like saying or it's like letting the elementals know that, hey, this is my house. I'm the owner of this house. So huwag kang papasok, huwag kang makikialam sa bahay ko kasi ako yung may-ari ng bahay, hindi mo itong bahay. So something like that. So these are just some beliefs that up until now we practice. So amidst the new technology, the science-proven ways of construction, ginagawa pa rin natin ito. And there's no harm in doing so. You're just doing your own thing. You're not harming anyone. It's not offensive to anyone. It's tradition. It's part of your being a Filipino. So I think wala namang masama. And maybe next time we can discuss naman about feng shui when it comes to the interiors or the insides of our houses. If this vlog made you happy, please like it and subscribe to my channel so we can discuss more topics like this. So